Hey guys, welcome back to Kelly's Creations. Today is a super fast, quick, and easy way to store your ribbon. So here's my craft room. In my craft room, I have an old dresser. In the bottom drawer is a mishmash of yarn and ribbon. And every time I do a project, I have to go and fumble through all of this to see which one I want to use. So I grabbed some of these storage boxes from Walmart, which fit perfectly in the drawer, and that helped the drawer part of this video. I was able to group together colors, sizes of ribbon, keep my yarn outside the boxes on the side for now until I think of a better way to store that. But at least that I can grab a box out of the drawer, okay? So then I thought, I had done a project a video a while ago, on this coffee mug holder that I got from the thrift store. And it was just a wooden mug holder. I see these all the time at my local thrift stores. They're very cheap. I think I paid like $1, maybe $1.50 for this. I added some white chalk paint to it. I didn't give it full coverage. As you can see, I left some of where the nooks and crannies are on this. I didn't cover them totally. Then I came back in and just sanded and distressed the rest. And I've been using this in my kitchen forever, but I recently redid my kitchen and I'm trying to minimalize, which is very hard for me. So I didn't want to throw this away. And I'm like, oh my goodness, this would probably be the perfect little stand to hold ribbon on my desk that I use a lot. So I don't have to go digging in the drawer. So after I was done painting, distressing this, I grabbed my ribbon. Some of the ribbon, the holes were big enough where this just slid right on. Other ribbon that had smaller holes, all you have to do is take your fingers, smash that cardboard in, make that hole just a little bit bigger, and perfectly fits on this mug holder. Oh my goodness. Now you can see painter's tape on my ribbon. I personally have found painter's tape holds the ribbon better than masking tape or any other kind of tape. So I just use a little bit of painter's tape to keep that ribbon in place. You can put so many spools of ribbon on this mug holder. I was like, oh my goodness. I knew it would hold some. Never in a million years did I expect it to hold this many. Now, of course, depending on thickness, how big your spool of ribbon is, of course, bigger spools, you would put less on each little rung here, of course. But if you have go-to ribbon that you just want to keep out on your desk or in your craft space, this little mug holder is a little perfect, cute hack to hold that ribbon. I was trying to do it like color coordinated for the video and stuff and just see how many spools I could get on this. And I was so pleasantly surprised. And like I said, if it doesn't fit, just make that hole a little bit bigger and it will go right on. So I just thought I would hop on and share this little hack that I thought of. Instead of don't throw stuff away. Always think, how can I reuse this? And the other part of this is you can always take the side panels off your ribbon and put it on that way if you wanted. So yeah, I was pleasantly surprised with this. It spins perfectly, so you just remove that tape and you can use that ribbon, put the tape back on. Oh my goodness, look, I'm going to show you here. Spins perfectly. And I have this now sitting on my desk. This is going to help me out so much. Sometimes just having things in eyesight helps. My craft room is kind of getting overrun with a lot of different items that I use, and I'm having to remember where I store it all. So having this out and about really helps me out. Plus, I think it's really cute. I hope you guys like this fun, fast little video on how to store or a different way to store your ribbon. So look for these the next time you're thrifting. If you come across one of these mug holders and you have a lot of ribbon that you want out to use like I do, this little mug holder is perfect. If you guys want to hop on over to this video, I will show you how I use these crates. Those are the same crates from Walmart that I have in the drawer at the beginning of this video that I used to make a little makeshift station for my paint as well. I love you guys. I hope you guys are having the most blessed and wonderful week and an awesome summer. I'll see y'all next Sunday. Bye, y'all.